In just a moment. Hey, I want to remind you on the 10th, that's tomorrow, Campbellsville, Kentucky. Big action there Thursday, May the 14th, Huntingsburg, Indiana. Now, let me tell you about a super card. I'll give you the entire card a little bit later because it is so big. I do want to remind you that it is going to contain a Southern Tag Team title match that'll have Kevin Sullivan and Wayne Ferris, the new Southern Tag Champs, defending against Bill Dundee and the Dream Machine.
That's pretty, boy. And look
Everybody
at this belt.
just saw it.
This belt that belongs to me and his belt belongs to him. We're the champs. That's all I got to say.
You are the champions. There's no doubt about that, but we saw it.
You know, Jimmy, you hold on to that belt because it says Southern on it, and I don't want anything to do with the South around my waist. I'm afraid it may rub off.
No time limit, no disqualification. Don't forget that, Kevin Sullivan. And it's going to be a match that'll have Terry Funk. By the way, I looked at that interview that your buddy sent in here, and we're not going to show it, Jimmy Hart. He's going against Jerry Lawler. It'll be settling up time, but we're not going to show the interview.
Well, that's cool, Lance. Let me tell you something, Lawler. Funk's coming after you with everything he has got in his body. He's been laying up there in that hospital bed, and, baby, he's coming back, and I feel so sorry for you. I feel so sorry for you for two things, man, for what you did to him, and it's payback time now, baby. And I promise you, you'll never make that trip to Louisville ever again.
Yeah, well, I can tell you one thing. If you're talking about what Funk continues to talk about, and after what we saw in there and what he said about Lawler in the interview, there wasn't anything intentional or anything else. Well, you know, Funk, I don't have to tell you about the whole thing. Just remember this, that it will be happening in the Louisville Gardens Tuesday night when that action gets underway with Jerry the King Lawler against Terry Funk. And then